Okay, so this is another angled demo on how to use the tool. So if I hold the tool out in the camera's view, you can see that it looks bent, and that's on purpose because it's meant to almost act like this. It's sitting flat on your plate, but I need to be able to push it from the handle side. So in order to do that, if you're up here, you can't push forward, you're going to be pushing in on an angle. So the idea is to place the tip where you're going to start a line, and I can be at a fairly high angle to do that. I am not using a ton of pressure, but I'm putting a little bit to just get it to bite into the plastic, and then I'm lowering it down almost horizontal to the plate. And you can kind of judge that by, can you get something underneath it, right? So I can just barely get a piece of cardboard underneath it. That angle is going to be fine. I can guide it with my opposite finger, but I also usually choke up on it with this hand as well. So low and engage, and then I push away from myself. Now, it may not be as obvious to your eye. If you take the back of your fingernail and go across it, can you see how that catches? There is a line there. So the trick is, if you're at too high of an angle, it won't go forward because your force is all going down in this way. If you are doing that with a lot of pressure, eventually your arm will get weak and you'll lower down like that and it'll suddenly shoot off out of control. So the trick is really get it in position, lower it, gently guide it. Now, if you're having trouble in that direction, you could try engaging the tool and leaving this hand in position and move the plate into the tool. It doesn't want to do it because of the tape on the side. So I can keep my right hand that's pushing the tool in position and turn the plate into it. So if you look, again, there's that, you can feel it when it catches. So normally, when we were doing dry point, wherever you scratched, you would have a burr sticking up and you'd feel that with your finger. So with this one, try to feel it with the back of your fingernail. But gentle is the key. Low, almost like a skate on a pond, and get it really, really low. Yeah. Now guide with your opposite finger so you have control. Now, instead of holding the plate, use your left hand, index finger, near the tip of the tool. There you go. It's going to give you more control. Better, yeah? So low as you can. I'd lower it even a little more. There you go. You're going to have much more control if you keep it low at that angle. And then when you're trying to detect the line, try going across it the opposite direction. So like if you made a line up, take your fingernail and go across left, right, and you'll feel it.